Hey everybody. This is Daniel here from Screenly. Today we're going to show you how to display Notion sites on your Screenly digital sign. Uh, Notion is a super popular, especially I feel like within the last 6 months or so, um, workspacing tool that allows team collaboration. So they kind of have a little bit of everything, but essentially it allows you to keep all of your work documents and processes in one place, and then organize that work amongst your team and then track the results. Really cool tool, especially for distributed workforces. If you can get that information on a digital sign, it can allow everyone to see it, whether they're at home or in an office space. Having that information on a screen that's always there allows everyone to make sure that, hey, they know where they're at, they know where the team is going, and how everyone's positioned on really important deadlines. So let's jump into it. So the first thing to do is to go to your Screenly dashboard here, click the Screens tab on the left-hand side. We're going to click Add Screen. And what we're going to do for this demo is add a Screenly Anywhere screen, which essentially allows you to launch a digital sign without any other required hardware. So you go to anywhere.screenly.io. This launches a pairing screen, so you have to pair this to your account, and that's AZAQ. We're going to put that in, AZAQ. Okay, and then the second part is H974. So H974. Okay, and so there's going to be a name attached to that. And we're just going to call that test screen. Okay, test screen. We're going to click add. Perfect. Okay. Oop, invalid pin. H974. AZA8. Okay, not 8. All right, so we're going to click add. Perfect. Okay. So the next step here and how it works with Screenly is we have content and we assign that content to playlists and we assign the screens to playlists. So we need to get our content from Notion. So here you'll see that we just made that test screen. So if you go into Notion, and the way Notion works is they have these team spaces here, and then within team spaces you have the different sites or boards. And so we have this goal tracker set up here, and what we're going to do is we're going to get the public share link for it. So if you go up here at the top right, click share. Um, there's different ways to share it. You can share it within your team, but what we're going to do is click publish. Make sure you publish this so it can be viewed publicly, and then we're going to click copy site link. Perfect. Okay, so now going back into our Screenly account, we want to navigate to content on the left-hand side. Click new content. In the pop-up modal, we're going to click URL, and then we're going to paste that Notion site URL. We're going to click finish. And here it's transferring here, and we'll be able to retitle the content and save it. And then here we go. So, okay, we can call that notion.com. All right, perfect. So we can save it. Here we go. Okay, you'll see that we already had it saved. So we're just going to delete one here. Perfect. The next step here is to make a playlist for that content. So here if we go to the playlist tab on the left-hand side, we click new playlist. We're going to call this Notion site, and we're going to have it scheduled after the 30th so that it plays right now, and then content add. Perfect. Okay. And the other thing we have to do is select that it plays on the screen we made. So you can assign playlists to screens, and obviously this makes sense when you have like 10 or a dozen screens going on. But right now, since we just have one, you still have to assign it. And we can change the duration of content. We're 30 seconds here. And since it's just one piece, it will continuously loop. And we're going to click save here. Okay, perfect. So that's it, really. So we have the content. We added that content to a playlist. And then we assign that playlist to our test screen. And you'll see here that if we open up the test screen here, that content is queued to play. So momentarily, that Notion dashboard and site will start displaying on our Screenly Anywhere screen. So that's it. Welcome to Screenly. Again, you can get started with Screenly with a 30-day free trial with no credit card required. And we invite you to test it out, get some of your own Notion sites and dashboards on digital signs. And if you have any questions, let us know. We're here to help, and welcome to Screenly.